Well, it looks like we're still on a rocket ship. So I'm holding on to SLV. I didn't make a change today at all. Micron Technologies had a little bit of a pullback. Harley Davidson went higher, and the CDE went higher by about $1. And what do I own? Oh, SLV went higher. You know, I don't think I said that I expected a pullback right now, but I do expect a pullback because it's gone up so high. But who knows when that will be? It could be a lot higher price. If you look at the history of silver, sometimes it runs way up real fast, and way up, and then moves sideways for a while. So maybe that's what's happening. But YouTube member Gypsy Hustle sent me a message talking about how natural gas is cheap compared to priced in gold, and it is. It's way down to about 14 bucks, I think. The UNG is Natural Gas Fund, and that's way down. So if gold were to have a pullback, you would probably maintain some buying power or gain some buying power in the UNG. So it looks like it's just about a buy. It's been beaten down real far. So check that out. But you know, when something's moving up like this, and gold's moving up on a rocket ship like this, you stay in until it proves you different. Don't, you know, articles and people on TV and stuff. Did you hear Geithner lying to the Chinese that we're not monetizing the debt, everything's cool? Can't believe the blatant BS. They're planning something, and it's all planned out. And I wish I knew what it was, and then I would know how to position myself the best. I mean, if the whole market collapses and brings down the mining shares with it, you got to be protected against that. So I own a little bit of the FAZ, FAZ, just as a little insurance policy. So I think that went up today. So pretty much everything went up except the Micron Technology. So that's cool. And I heard someone talking about the financials are turning over, and they're not. The XLF, which tracks the financials, is not moving down. It's not showing signs of weakening. It's still moving up. So you stay in until it's time to get out. That's it. You guys, you'll make the most money just staying the hell out of your own way. Don't try to make too many decisions. Don't try to trade too much. Just be patient. Let's see what else. I don't have any stop losses on my stuff. Just because silver usually gives a pretty good warning when it's going to pull back. You'll have a bearish engulfing pattern when it does that. So that's about it. Looks like real estate will lose value even in hyperinflation, especially if you have a price locked in. So that's my primary goal. What else am I watching? Oh, the FCX is taken off. That's Freeport-McMoRan. They do gold and copper. They mine the gold and copper. The TBT, I think, pulled back. That's the bond market, and I think it pulled back a bit. Yeah, it has pulled back, and it looks like it's going to resume its upward trend. Money's coming out of bonds. Yields are going to go up. I wish it would pull back to the 20-day. I could load up on it, but it hasn't so far. But anyway, check out the UNG. Looks like it's a buy. It's below the 200-day moving average, which I don't really like, but it looks like it's coming into a U-shaped bottom, so it might be pretty good buy. Anyway, that should do it for now. Oh, I'm going to put an article or a video up there, so check it out. And this guy does really good analysis, and that should do it. Check it out. It's about the U.S. dollar and where the dollar should be headed. So that's important for gold and silver. If the dollar were to strengthen, well, you know, the short positions on gold and silver are almost at record highs. And the reason that gold and silver are still going higher, even though they're being shorted real heavy, is because more and more people are trading the silver and the gold. And when more people are trading, it's much harder to manipulate a market when you have a large number of traders. So those manipulators have been enjoying it, but they've only been trading against relatively few buyers. But now there's a lot more buyers and a lot more sellers. So their effectiveness is being reduced. So sooner or later, they're going to have to start turning their short positions into longs, and that's when you're going to see gold and silver skyrocket. So even though gold's expensive compared to natural gas, doesn't mean gold won't go higher. It just means that relatively speaking, the UNG should outperform gold in the near future. So you want to have some money in the UNG. And it's important that we send each other these videos because no one has time to see everything. So that's good advice. I missed that one. Guess that should do it. I saw a stock called CAB, and it's a company that sells survival equipment, and it's been going through the roof. I actually didn't check it today. Bad news when you don't check it out. Yeah, it's up 50. Ooh, it looks like a real strong bullish pattern. And they called Cabela's, and it's like a big five, and they yep, oh, it was a buy signal today too, pretty good buy signal. They sell survival gear, so look for CAB. And I've also been watching Smith & Wesson, SWHC. It gave a buy signal today, but it didn't close at a buy signal, so I did not buy it. But if it closes above the 20-day moving average, that is definitely a buy. I almost did that today. It was almost a perfect setup, a perfect buy signal. So maybe in the next couple days we'll get one, and we'll get into that too. Smith & Wesson, everybody. And that's when when you start getting too many positions, you want to take some profit from your profitable ones. You don't want to be in too many things all at once and have the market come down and pull all your profit down. So I think if I'm going to buy two more things, I'm going to take some profit from my silver, from the SLV, and I'm going to leave the CDE alone, the Coeur mines. The next move I'll probably make on a pullback is add another miner. I want you to check out a miner called BULM. It's a real risky speculative stock, but it looks like it's been blowing up lately. So times are good for the metals, and the dollar is just tanking, and until the dollar says it doesn't want to tank anymore, you stay in the metal. So that should do it. Check out the link and watch the video. It's really cool analysis on the dollar.